nothing too exciting. Stock ass truck. You dig?
Where are we going, Jerry?
Go pull out our brother. I guess the old gas truck just can't do her. So we take the slow ass Cummins, you dig?
Oh yeah.
No, it's not even that bad. Right here, it ain't. Good chicken.
What do you say, Jerry? The old gas truck just couldn't do it?
I guess not. Gotta get more traction when he gets that Well, we got him with a pretty decently hard bump, but we were in a rut and we needed to get out of it, but hey, we're good. So
Pulling this big old 318 old fucking 1500 short bed Dodge.
my head hit my visor.
Did it really?
Yeah. That was a pretty gnarly bump, but hey, we're moving.
We got him out.
Alright guys, well, we just got him back to the shop. Kind of a little backstory. The truck was already broken down and needs a fuel pump. But he had another truck pulling him on a country road to try to avoid town. And he just couldn't pull him through the snow, it was just too deep. So we went out there, we got him pulled out. And then we get back into town, we run into the cop, and he's cool. We get along with the cops around town pretty good. But I guess 3 people called the cops because they thought we were out there just messing around. But we got him back to the shop. I just want to give a quick little shout out to Jagger. He's been our film guy for the past few days. So when we're out there, you know, pulling stuff, he's out there helping us, and Drake too. Jagger, you can turn the camera around and show your ugly face if you want. That's Jag. But yeah, we're just getting back to the homestead. It's just a quick little easy video. But those of you guys that did watch, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.